So let's move. So here inside QR codes, create page. So we can use the same thing. Let's copy from here and paste here. So let's move to the top. So change the title from create QR code to registration. And here let's change it to register your account. And we can add, if you want, we can add also, let's add also an icon, FA, and user and plus. Let's do something. Let's go to our navbar. So here the register, let's add the routes. So routes will be register. And same thing for login. So save, let's refresh the page. So we have an error, route register is not defined. Let's go back to our navbar. So it's user.register. So refresh page again. So let's move to our register page. So here register your account, and we have here the field. Okay, so we need to add fields. So let's first change the route to user.store. Method is posted token, and here, so now we can, let's do something. So now we can use, let's use PS5 and use input field. So here we have the name, which is the first one, and let's give it also here name, and also here name, and here name, and placeholder name. And let's remove this small from here, and we keep the error here. So let's change it to name instead of content. And I think also this one, we don't need it. And we need to check here for validation error. So let's remove this space. So if the error here is email, so we will add the class which is invalid. And we end the error. So next, what we have, so let's copy. And let's see what we have here. So we have two divs with the margin bottom 3. Okay, so let's keep only one. Remove this one. So let's keep only one of them, only this one. So let's copy and paste. And we have the email. And let's change name here to email, type to email, here email. So I think I made a mistake here. So here it's name, not email. So the email is here, and here email, ID email, placeholder email, and the password or the error also email. So let's move to the next. So the next is the password. Okay, so let's change it from email to password, and here also to password with uppercase, and that's also save. Let's refresh the page and see what we have here. So we have our form. So if we submit an empty form, So we have the validation errors. So the name field is required, email, and the password. So let's register a new user. And we arrow directs to login, which means that the registration has been done successfully. If we try to register same user again, so we have an error, so telling us that the unique constraint failed. So we are not. So let's do something. Let's go to our where is it? So to our add request here, so the validation request. So let's add the email here to be unique, and the table is users. Okay, so let's try again to register same user. So now the email has already been taken. Okay, so let's register a new one, submit, and we are done. Okay, so now we have the registration. So what is left? So we need now to move to the login.